Stay just for a second. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you are new here, welcome. All we're gonna be doing today is cleaning this room. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna try and hang this mirror on this wall. Kevin said I can try, but it's kind of heavy, so we're just gonna try it and see what happens. That was literally the hardest thing I've ever had to do. I'm out of breath. Okay, so normally when you're hanging something up really high, or just really in general, you're supposed to put it in the studs, and you're supposed to use a impact. I don't have one. It's at the shop, or Kevin's shop. So I had to use the old handy dandy screwdriver, and that was hard. This might be harder. I'm like honestly scared that it's not gonna. I mean, I think it should hold. We will see. Ugh. My underwear keeps falling down. That was so heavy. Stay just for a second.
Well, what are you now? Because I need these. Oh my gosh.
Where'd my screwdriver go? It's sitting on the table. I think I'm gonna be able to read. This is where you gotta be creative. Because we all just saw what just almost happened. Did I do it? Is it gonna fall? Oh my gosh, I think I did it! I gotta call Kevin. Guys, I did it! Hoping it really doesn't fall. Okay, so yeah, I got the mirror up. I'm gonna clean it really quick. I guess I can bring you guys with me. I just don't want this video to be so long. If you made it this far, congratulations, because this video is probably really boring and it's probably going to be super short. So, I just basically cleaned my room. Hey, don't chew on that. No. Come here, Kona. Okay, but yeah, you guys saw what I did. And then I just cleaned the rest of my room. Don't lick my tattoo. And, okay, you're done. Get down. And then I put this up. This room hasn't been like cleaned since probably September, since we moved in. So yeah, that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed. You're gonna make me mad and you're gonna go outside and go to bed. Go lay down. Are you done? Lucy, stop. No one's there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. They're not going to stop barking. There's literally nobody out there. This is what I deal with on a daily. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And comment down below if you guys have any questions. Follow all my social media. They'll be down below. I'm not in focus. And I'll see you guys next time. Me too, stop.